What is going on, you guys? This is Chris with Patchboy Patches for the culture. Over here at the shop, we are doing what we do best, and that is make patches. Check out all these patches, you guys. Check out all these patches. We got the Angela Davis patch going right here, as you can see. We got the Holy Kendrick right here. Check out that Holy Kendrick. We got Blank Man, of course. You gotta have your Blank Man patch. I know you guys remember this event right here that took the internet by storm. You know I had to make a patch for this one. You know I had to. We also got a Dick Gregory patch right here. Check it out, check it out. We got some James Baldwin. We got some Gambino. We got the Malcolm X right here. We got the peanut butter and crack sandwich, Tyrone Biggums. All these patches, we got 11 patches just right here. So all 11 patches is for one order from a customer on our Etsy shop, you guys. How cool is that? They ordered 11 patches from us just in one order. Over here, we got a custom patch that we still got to cut out. Check it out, check it out. It says Lost Land. The artwork was sent to us from a customer. This customer on Etsy also ordered another patch, which is right here, which is the level up, level up, level up. We got to go in here and cut some excess white thread, but we'll get it all cut out and squared away before we ship it out to the customer. And we got, last but not least, we got this patch right here that says Fuego, feeling hot, hot, hot. But I just wanted to come on here to show you guys some patches that we have made thus far today. We got more patches to make, and we want to encourage you guys to keep on stitching, you guys. Keep those machines stitching. Keep the orders coming in. Do your marketing. Do your branding. Make sure that you guys are standing out so that way you can get plenty of customers to order from you. But this has been Chris with Patchboy Darb. We're going to go ahead and finish packaging these patches up, and we're going to ship them out to the customer. We got to cut out these ones over here and then package these ones up as well. Don't stop pushing. Once the ball is rolling, make sure it continues rolling, because if you stop, then your whole business stops, and you don't want that to happen, because then you got to work your way up to get the ball rolling again. But once it gets rolling, push that gas and don't stop, you guys. This has been Chris with Patchboy Darb. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.